Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. I hope everybody had a great holiday weekend. We have been busy working in the Happy Heart studio. When I say we, I mean me and my dogs. Sometimes I have other people help me, just here and there, but it's just me, one woman show. I don't you just love this shirt? My friend Stephanie Finney over at Captivated Clothing, she created this one last year. I just love it. I'm not sure if you grabbed the email this weekend, but it was a good one. I shared a lot about our upcoming collections. I hope you guys got a chance to see it. I'm so excited about some things that we're working on. And I wanted to share, I hope you decide to join us this Friday. We are doing a Create With Me Live. It is week 2 of the 4 weeks of summer strawberry series. That's a mouthful. And we are doing these adorable little signs, and I've got, there's 6 different designs that you get in the free download, and I'm doing them 3 different ways. So you can get this little, you can do it the tassel way. You can do it with the fabric braid hanger. How cute is this little one? Or you can just do a wire hanger. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I hope that you guys decide to join me on Friday at 10 a.m. over on the tube. It should be a lot of fun. And you can then get the download to make these fun signs yourself. And yeah, lots going on in the Happy Heart studio. I'm actually here in the studio now. I have this chair, this beautiful pink chair. It's next to my wood blank wall. And it's one of those I forget what it's called, but it's extra big chair so that my little dogs can come snuggle with me when I'm sitting here. This is where I sit and work on my computer designs. See, I got my computer here, and I got my little table with my smoothie. Oh, and there's Woody. There he is. He's the manager. He's just making sure that I am doing everything that I'm supposed to be doing. And so I sit here when my back and legs start hurting, and I just do all of my designs. I design most of my things digitally, and so it takes a lot of time to do the digital designs, but I love doing it. And then once I get all the digital designs situated, I then get to print them out and put them onto things like these cute little signs. And I just love, how cute is the back too? See, I designed that paper. You can see all the hearts and the crosses, and each one of my Happy Heart papers, I call them papers. They're background designs. I mean, I use the background designs for stickers and fabrics and papers and all kinds of things, but I call them papers. I don't know why, but in all of my Happy Heart Boutique papers, you'll see that there is always a cross and a heart, because that's the heart behind Happy Heart Boutique. Is the heart is kind of represents, making happy hearts and the connection that we make with our loved ones. And then for my faith, for the cross. And so that is there. And I think that it's so cute. I love these designs that I created. And it was so fun making this collection. And right now, oh, hey, Diane Weaver, thanks for hopping on. How's your Tuesday? And so I cannot wait to share these designs with you guys. And right now I'm working on the fall designs. Oh my gosh, there's so many cute things. I can't wait to share with you guys. So I'm actually gotta run. It's summer and my boys are home from school. And so it's busy. And I just wanted to pop on here and say happy Tuesday. And I hope everybody can join me Friday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time over on the tube for Create With Me. And if you can't, make sure you watch the replay. It should be a good one. Bye.